Today I am sharing more and more sentences so that you can practice, bring into your conversation, and start speaking English fluently. I know that words, phrases, grammar rules do help, but sentences help the most, and it helps quickly. You can quickly see the changes, because when you learn words, then you have to learn how to uh, put those words into sentences. The same goes with the phrases also. And grammar rules, when you start making sentences, then it comes to help you. But directly, what helps you? Sentences. Because we speak sentences during the daytime. When we talk to people, then we speak sentences, not words. Okay, sometimes we give short responses, but then sentences are something which need to be practiced more and more, I believe. That's why I feel that even if you don't know words, phrases, grammar rules, if you just learn some sentences like a child learns in childhood, then it will be easier for you to start speaking fluently. Later on, you can learn words, phrases, grammar, they do have their importance. But first, start with the sentences. Okay, so in this video, I saw him going, he saw me coming, they saw us stealing. You can also say they saw us steal. My father saw me dancing, or my father saw me dance. Like I am using here saw, see, saw. We can also use found, we can also use heard, or we can also use find or hear, the present form. Like he found me sleeping, they found me knocking at the door, or they found me knock at the door as well. He heard me backbiting, she heard them overhearing the talk, like this. So I saw him speaking, he found me lying, they heard me backbiting, or they heard me backbite, he saw me come, they saw him dance, like this. Hope it will help you. Thank you.